Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hello boys and girls, it's Teacher Mike here, and today we're going to be looking at a worksheet that asks us to subtract using base 10 blocks. Let's read the directions and get started right away, and I'll show you a few cool strategies as we work on the worksheet. Which is correct? Look at the subtraction models with base 10 blocks. The blocks that are taken away are crossed out. Check the number sentences that match the models. Okay, so let's look at the first problem. I see the base 10 blocks look something like this. I see 2 longs and 4 cubes. What does that look like in number form? Well, let's make a place value chart. We have the place of the tens and the place of the ones. So, how many tens are there? Well, longs, otherwise known as tens, there's 1, 2. So we'll put a 2 in the tens place. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So our starting number is 24. Now, how many numbers or how many cubes are we taking away? How many are crossed out? Well, in this problem, 1 long or 1 10 is crossed out. So we could put our 10 in our place value chart, 1 10 with a 0 in the ones place, and also put minus 10 in our equation. Now, before we even subtract, we can see if we know the right answer by taking a look at our answer choices. The first answer choice says 24 minus 10 equals 14. That looks pretty good because it has the 24 and the 10. The other answer choice has 22 minus 14. That doesn't look so good because we don't have 22 or 14 in our number sentence. Let's subtract 24 minus 10 to double check our work and make sure we have the correct number sentence. 4 minus 0 is just 4 because you're taking nothing away. And 2 minus 1 is 1, giving us a total of 14. So we know the correct number sentence is 24 minus 10 equals 14, our first answer choice. Let's take a look at the next problem. In the next problem, we have 1, 2, 3 longs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes. Do you know what that number looks like? Well, we have 1, 2, 3 longs, which really is like a 3 in the tens place. So let's put a 3 where the tens would be. And we have 8 cubes, so we could put an 8 in the ones place, giving us a total of 38. Sometimes you don't even need a place value chart. Now, how many are we taking away? How many cubes have been crossed out? Well, we can see that there's 5 cubes crossed out. So we want to take away 5 from 38. Well, that's easy when you line up the numbers and put the numbers in their right place. Because we have 5 ones, we put 5 in the ones place, and now we're going to take those 5 away. We'll count backwards from 8, 5 places. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 3 minus nothing is 3. So we know our number sentence should read 38 minus 5 equals 33. Let's see which answer choice is correct. It's the second answer choice. 38 minus 5 equals 33. Let's take a look at the next problem. In our next problem, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 longs, otherwise known as 50. So we can go ahead and put a 5 in the tens place. And there are 1, 2, 3 cubes. So we can go ahead and put a 3 in the ones place. So we have a starting number of 53. Just by looking at our 2 answer choices, I kind of already know my second answer choice is going to be correct because it has the number 53 in it. But let's see how many we're going to take away and see if our answer choice matches. Well, there are 2 tens that are crossed out, which means we're taking away at least 20. And there's also 1 cube crossed out. So we are taking away 1, which means in total we're taking away 21. Well, that matches our answer choice so far, 53 minus 21. Now let's do the subtraction and see if it matches. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. And again, that matches perfectly. So our correct answer choice or number sentence is 53 minus 21 equals 32. Let's go ahead and check the correct box. The problem on the bottom has purple blocks. Let's count them together. I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 longs, or 7 tens, giving us 70, or 7 in the tens place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes, giving us an 8 in the ones place, making our total number of blocks 78. Well, how many are crossed out? I see that there are 5 tens crossed out. So we're going to be taking away at least 50. So we could put a 5 in the tens place. How many cubes are crossed out? Well, there are 4 cubes crossed out. So we can go ahead and put a 4 in the ones place, making the total number of cubes that we're taking away 54. Do you see an answer choice that matches this so far? Let's look at the bottom. 78 minus 54 equals 24. Let's see if when we subtract these two numbers, we get 24. 8 minus 4, if you count backwards from 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 is 4. And 7 minus 5 is 2. Making the correct answer choice, the one on the bottom, 78 minus 54 equals 24. Let's take a look at our last problem in yellow on the right. Let's count the number of tens. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Do you know what number that is? Well, if there are 9 tens, I know that's equal to 90. We can go ahead and put a 9 in the tens place. And there's also 6 cubes, which really just represents 6. So we could put a 6 in the ones place, making our total 96. Let's see how many cubes are crossed out. In this problem, there are 3 tens that are crossed out. There are also all 6 ones crossed out. Do you know how many we just crossed out? Well, we are taking away 3 tens, which equals 30. So we could put a 3 in the tens place. We're also taking away 6 cubes, so we can go ahead and put a 6 in the ones place. So our number sentence should read 96 minus 36. Let's see if there's an answer choice that matches this. I see the top answer choice as 96 minus 36. Let's see if when we subtract these two numbers, we get 60. 6 minus 6 is 0, and 9 minus 3, counting back from 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, is 60. So we know that our top answer choice, 96 minus 36, is correct. Remember, boys and girls, when you're subtracting with base 10 blocks, count the blocks all together, and then count the blocks that are crossed out to see how many you're taking away. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time.